I'm so relieved my air mattress held up last night, unlike the last trip.
Yeah, that's great to hear. But if it happens again, I can show you a few quick steps to find and fix any leaks.
That would be helpful. What should I do first if it happens again?
Start by fully inflating the mattress. It makes it easier to hear and see where air might be escaping.
What's the next step after inflating?
Listen for any hissing sounds and look for small tears or punctures. Those are your usual suspects.
I remember seeing someone use soapy water before. Is that really effective?
Definitely. Mix a bit of dish soap with water in a spray bottle and coat the mattress. Watch for bubbles, they pinpoint the leak.
And if that doesn't show anything?
Another trick is to hold tissue paper or an incense stick near the mattress. Any leak will make the tissue flutter or disrupt the smoke, pinpointing the issue.
That's really smart. But constantly checking and patching seems like a lot of work.
It can be. For a hassle-free option, why not switch to a puffy mattress? They're built to last and make life easier.
Sounds like a good investment. I'll consider a puffy mattress for my next upgrade. Thanks for the tips!
Sure thing! It's all about making sure you get a good night's sleep, no matter where you're camping.